just me in the crowd speaking for you and me behind. This message of mine leaves no life behind. I hope you don't mind, cause I touch on things that question the mind and exposes hypocrites in the front lines. Not saying I'm not one, but I know what's right. The dark side of glory brings shame to light. Our leaders can see us fight, but we treat it as oversight, overlooking our rights. Not saying I'm right, but I can't ignore the possibilities in plain sight. The gods won't interfere, but we deliver dinners because we chose a side. This leads the elites having the need to wreak God's wrath upon us. Using his word against us, we take it to heart thinking Jesus told us. We work against us, their system control us. We rise to fall for their manipulation, this is ridiculous. With money and power ahead of us, ignoring our dreams in front of us. Brown skin, but you told you're black. Others taught to be scared of us. The economy doesn't favor us. Nelson Mandela, man in the mirror, looking in, see myself better and bigger. Heavy woke while asleep, I need myself amongst leaders. See the truth inside deceivers, beat the faith and not believers. Look beyond the leaders, conservatives, money orders, race orders, look beyond borders, break orders, leave the truth and not marauders, speak the truth across the waters. Kick your hands, raise your hands, to me ask, what matters? To be darker, climb the ladder, or to suffer, to be better, to be happy, doesn't matter. The thought is really shrewd, I'm confused and lost too. Should I fight the enemy or think about the cause too? Or else move my survival, let somebody die too. But I can do it to my own like the master wants to. But I need a free world like Biko wants to. Life is not like before, like our parents could afford. And the world is in shambles, even less ain't more. 9 to 5 will be gone by 2034. Getting less runs, but testing us more. History books were designed for how we process our thoughts. We've been fighting for the land since the Second World War. Now they all want diplomacy, we always fall short for pacifying tactics. Words can be swords, we forbidden to approach to try to settle the score. And freedom out the question, checkmate, won and lost. They came and killed us all, they got protected by their laws. Today we analyze fake laws with awards. How they come together, we want. I need to take revenge. It's been 500 years, my people never living safe. I got 200 reasons why I'm living on the edge. It's been 500 years, my people never living safe. I got 200 reasons why I need to take revenge. It's been 500 years, my people living like they slaves. I got 2,000 reasons why I need to take revenge. It's been 500 years, my people never living safe. I got 2,000 reasons why I'm living on the edge.
Okay, burn a little incense, sip a little water, I'm ready. Sober since infant, corn I slaughter, I'm steady. Scoping from a distance, with one eye closed like confetti. Never let them colonizer call you lazy when you poor. Never let them spread the lies about what changed in 94. They are moving through and sniping, killing us and stealing land. We don't need those reparations, they indebted till the end. Living far, that's why people never living safe. I got 2,000 reasons why I live in right age. Living 500 years, my people living like they slaves. I got 2,000 reasons why I need to take revenge. It's been 500 years, my people never living safe. I got 2,000 reasons why I'm living on the edge. It's been 500 years, my people living like they slaves. I got 2,000 reasons why I need to take revenge. His statement was clear. It read, no more campaigning here. He campaigned this at election year. It spread like contagions as elections did. The neighborhood mobilized with that slogan, fed up with the lies and the promises broken. He threw a petrol bomb at a Range Rover with a megaphone. We that by a candidate gunning for every vote. Angry youth with their stones. God, what's it in the daddy bones? Organized overthrow. We not there, but we close. Fella Kuti with the horn. Man, not get by with the tone.
no curses. Father died to comrade, left his head on his shoulders. Tired of politics, promises, thinking, revenge for culture, full of resentment. Never had lessons being a man, made him dangerous and desperate. Most of his life he was reckless, radicalized, deep in the madness, blaming the system, always in a protest. One would imagine dreams of a rebel, but victimization led him to the streets, gang affiliation. With his hands on the law, breaking for accommodation. Inevitable in his mouth was addiction. Not his destined to be an accomplice or mission. As a means of a hustle, mama happy he bringing them chicken, but she never knew his secret identity till the news revealed it.
Angry youth with their stones. Now, city like all the bones. Organize overthrow. We not there, but we close. Fella Kuti with the horn. Man, Makeba with the tone. Organize overthrow. We not there, but we close. Angry youth with their stones. Now, city like all the bones. Organize overthrow. We not there, but we close. Fella Kuti with the horn. Yeah, Makeba with the tone. Organize overthrow. We not there, but we close. Organize overthrow. Organize overthrow. Organize overthrow. Organize overthrow. Let's go. Organize overthrow. Let's go. Organize overthrow. Let's go. Organize overthrow. Let's go. Let's go. As you live in your life, make sure you live your life to the fullest. It's all about the man's purpose. Where you at? Pick up the book. Pick up your good habits. Pick up your feet. Don't give up. Keep at it. Live up the truth. Don't become a teen addict. Be kind to youth. Don't become a mean parent. Crow walk, jog, spring fly. Don't stop. The limit ain't the sky. My God, take a selfie with a satellite. Find heaven where you live, not the afterlife. Be a safe place to confide. Then she never save face. Don't try to hide. Tell your little sister that you love her. Be supportive of the visions of your brothers. Pushing religion and the sciences. If they share your vision from alliances, set aside friends to retire. And yes, by land and Makaya, Ulandela Om, Ubalunegi. Be the light and hope for mankind. Spread love and humility as the sunrise. The force of greater good willing to take the sacrifice and be prepared for the world side and in the mind. Don't let the fake decide you should be what you really find. You need each other and organize. Keep your friends fortified. You know you're there by yourself and so they organize. Holding so many doors until you hold the key so you can set your brothers free and that's respect the major key. You the beacon of reason, the reason of all reasons of why your enemies listen to reason. Don't make it easy. Olandela Om, Ubalulegi, Olandela Om, Ubalulegi, Olandela Om, Ubalulegi,
Dubai